Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where a to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Or this 8 can be written as 2 cube because 2 cube are same as same. 8 whole to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Or now we know an algebraic formula, exponential rule. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 2 to the power x whole cube plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now let 2 to the power x is equal to y, or here we can write y cube plus y is equal to 130 because 2 to the power x is equal to y, or y cube plus y. Now taking this 130 to left side, we will get negative 130 is equal to 0, or y cube. Now we can write here negative 25y plus 26y minus 130 is equal to 0 because 26y minus 25y is y. Okay. Or now taking common y to first two term, we will get y square minus 25 plus taking common 26 to last two term, we will get y minus 5 is equal to 0, or y times y square minus 25 can be written as 5 square because 5 square is same 25 plus 26 times y minus 5 is equal to 0, or now we know an algebraic formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now apply this formula. Here we can write y plus 5 times y minus 5 plus 26 times y minus 5 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 5, we will get y times y is y square, y times plus 5 is plus 5y, and here we will get plus 26 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y minus 5 is equal to 0 and y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. Here we can use discriminant formula, so we can write here del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to 5, a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 26 is equal to b is 5, so we can write here 5 square minus 4 times a is 1 times 26 is 26, c is equal to 5 square, that means 25, minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 26 is 104. Now 25 minus 104, we will get negative 79. Here discriminant is a negative value, so there are no real solutions, so this is rejected. Then from here we have y minus 5 is equal to 0, or y is equal to, taking this negative 5 to right side, we will get positive 5. But remember, let y is equal to 2 to the power x, so we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 5. Now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 5. or here we can use logarithm formula. So this x move here, so we can write here x times log of 2 is equal to log of 5. Now divided both sides by log of 2, we can write here x times log of 2 over log of 2 is equal to log of 5 over log of 2. Now this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so we will get x is equal to log of 5 over log of 2. Now here we can use calculator, so the approximate value of x is 2.3219, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.